Here are the 70 pro YouTube glossary terms with definitions you should know as a new YouTuber, starting with like and subscribe. Pro YouTubers often develop their own jargon, terminology, and slanguage to describe their work, interact with fans, and communicate with the YouTube ecosystem itself.
Content creation and production.
Thumbnail, the clickable image preview for a video, often designed to attract viewers to click on a video.
Intro and outro, aka denouement.
The opening or closing segment of a video, usually branded with music, animations, or logos.
Editing.
The time-consuming process of cutting video footage, shortening clips and moving them around, adding effects and other elements, etc., especially for complex or high-production videos.
Cuts. Shortening or trimming parts of the video during the editing process to improve pacing.
B-roll. Supplemental footage that is used to support or enhance the main narrative or visuals in a video.
Montage.
A compilation of short video clips edited together, often set to music to highlight action or a theme.
Premiere. A feature on YouTube where creators can schedule a video to release at a set time with a live chat alongside the video. Raw footage.
The unedited video recorded before it is processed and refined for the final cut.
Jump cut.
A quick cut between clips, usually noticeable, but often used by YouTubers to speed up talking sections or remove dead space.
Hype train.
When a large number of fans get excited and start talking about a particular creator or trend.
Mukbang.
A genre where creators eat large amounts of food on camera while interacting with viewers.
Binge-watch.
Watching several videos from the same creator or series in one sitting.
Audience and engagement.
CTA, call to action, the encouragement for viewers to take a specific action such as liking, subscribing, or commenting.
Smash that like button, a phrase used by YouTubers to urge viewers to click the like button.
Subscribing, when viewers choose to follow a channel, receiving notifications for new content.
Notification squad, loyal viewers who turn on notifications for a channel so they can watch new videos immediately when they are uploaded.
Comment section, the area where viewers can post their thoughts and feedback below a video.
Like to dislike ratio, a comparison of the number of likes to dislikes on a video, often used to gauge audience sentiment.
Engagement rate, a metric to measure the level of interaction a video receives, including likes, comments, shares, and watch time.
Shoutout, mentioning or promoting another YouTuber or a fan during a video to highlight them.
Fanbase Name, a nickname for a YouTuber's followers such as Low Gangsters, Glitter Critters, Marzipans, Walmartians, Hooligans, Swifties, The Bayhive, Beliebers, Beatlemaniacs, Parrot Heads, and the list goes on.
Timestamps, marks in the video description or comments that show key moments or sections within the video.
Growth in revenue, Monetization or Monetization, the process of earning money from YouTube through ads, sponsorships, or other forms of revenue. Demonetization, when a video is deemed ineligible for ad revenue due to not following YouTube's advertiser-friendly guidelines. AdSense, the Google advertising program that allows YouTubers to earn money based on ad views and clicks on their videos. CPM, cost per mille, the amount of money YouTubers earn for every 1,000 ad impressions on their videos. Mille is Latin for 1,000. Affiliate links, unique links that YouTubers share in their descriptions, allowing them to earn commissions on sales made through those links. Sponsorship, when a brand pays a YouTuber to feature their product or service in a video. Revenue split, the percentage of earnings YouTube takes from ad revenue before paying the creator. Brand deal, an agreement between a YouTuber and a company to promote their products or services.
Video performance and algorithm. So, let's talk about YouTube's algorithm. It's basically the recommendation system that suggests videos to viewers based on their watch history, interaction, and behavior. Right, and then we have watch time. This is the total amount of time viewers spend watching a video or channel. It's one of the key factors YouTube uses to rank videos. Another important metric is CTR, or click-through rate. This is the percentage of people who click on a video's thumbnail after seeing it in their recommendations. And don't forget SEO, or search engine optimization. This is the process of optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags to rank higher in YouTube search results. And then there's trending. This happens when a video gains enough views and engagement in a short period of time to appear on YouTube's trending page. Virality is another big one. This is when a video rapidly gains views and spreads across the platform, often due to shares or appearing in recommendations. And let's not overlook retention. This is the percentage of a video that viewers watch, which indicates how engaging the content is. Then there's Shadowban. This is when YouTube limits a video's visibility in search results or recommendations without officially banning it. Evergreen content is pretty crucial too. This is content that remains relevant and continues to attract views over a long period. Impressions. This is the number of times a video's thumbnail is shown to users, whether or not they click on it. Understanding these terms can really help you navigate and succeed on YouTube. You gotta know how the system works and optimize your content accordingly.
Community and culture OG, original Gangster, or perhaps original Googler, refers to longtime viewers or subscribers who have been with the channel since the early days. Haters, people who leave negative or critical comments, often without constructive feedback. Remember, haters gonna hate, and potators gonna potate. Clout, fame or influence that a YouTuber has, often used in reference to someone chasing popularity, for example, chasing clout. Tea, gossip, or drama within the YouTube community, like spilling the tea about other YouTubers. Drama channel, a channel dedicated to covering YouTuber conflicts and controversies. Flame war, a heated argument or series of negative comments between fans or creators in the comment section. Cancel culture, the practice of boycotting or canceling a YouTuber after they've been involved in a controversy. Flex, to show off wealth, possessions, or achievements, often done in a flashy or exaggerated way.
YouTube feature-specific pinned comment, a comment that is highlighted at the top of the comment section by the video creator. Super Chat, a paid feature during live streams that allows viewers to highlight their comments by donating money. Members-only content, exclusive videos or perks available only to subscribers who pay for channel memberships. Playlist, a curated collection of videos on a specific theme or topic that helps viewers binge-watch content. End screen, the interactive section at the end of a video that encourages viewers to subscribe or watch more videos from the channel.
General YouTube terms.
First, a comment people leave to declare they are the first to view a video, especially in the first few seconds of it going live.
Vlog, short for video blog, it refers to a type of video where a creator documents their daily life, specific event, experiences, or thoughts.
Subscriber, sub, people who follow a creator's channel to receive updates on new content.
Collab, short for collaboration, when two or more creators work together on content.
Demonetized, when a video becomes ineligible for ad revenue, often due to violating YouTube's guidelines.
Live stream, real-time video broadcast that allows live interaction between the creator and audience.
Simp for a YouTuber, when someone obsessively supports or praises a YouTuber, often with exaggerated admiration. But why? What do they hope to gain?
Merch, short and slang for merchandise, typically branded products sold by YouTubers to their fan base.
Stan, a stalker fan, a combination word used to describe someone who is an overzealous or obsessive fan of a creator.
Receipts, proof or evidence, usually in the form of screenshots or clips, often used in response to drama or accusations on YouTube.
Shadowban, when a creator's content is restricted from being visible or recommended without their knowledge.
Comment squad refers to a group of viewers who quickly comment on a video once it's uploaded, sometimes with timestamps or memes.
Ratioed, a slang verb for when the number of dislikes or negative comments is greater than the likes or positive comments, making an unfavorable ratio.
Sub for sub, an exchange where two creators agree to subscribe to each other's channels in an effort to boost subscriber counts.
Cringe, content that is awkward or embarrassing to watch, making the watcher cringe.
Cancel refers to when a content creator is publicly shamed or boycotted due to controversial actions or opinions. While it may not be officially canceled from a platform, it is considered grounds for cancellation of one's Cool Club membership.
Clickbait, a thumbnail or title designed to get a click but may not accurately represent the video content and thereby not generating any watch time.
You made it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll look for you in the next video.